Hi, I'm Kim and I work at Fairphone, and we are asking for your help for something that is very important to us, to make living wage the standard for all people working in factories, because a minimum wage is not the same as a living wage. A living wage allows you to afford essentials like proper housing, education, food, clothing, and but also to save up for a rainy day, which is also why a living wage is a human right. For smartphone companies to pay a living wage, it only costs $2 extra per phone. Our living wage program is up and running and ready to adapt and scale. Think about it. For the price of a cup of coffee, they'd be changing lives. Back in July, we reached out to all CEOs of smartphone companies with our living wage toolkit, and we asked them to join us in implementing a living wage. Sadly, we haven't received a response yet, so we're taking a different route for which we need you. The EU Commission is currently working on a directive on due diligence, and we are calling upon them to include a living wage in that directive, forcing all companies selling products in Europe to include a living wage in their supply chain. This would be a huge step towards fighting poverty and inequality, and a huge step towards fair working conditions. So, please sign our petition to include a living wage in the EU directive and help improve the lives of thousands of people.